Hold on.
What are you gonna say? A goo? What else? Goo? Goo? Anything else? Oh, that's a good one. Goo. And then what happened? What was it? Good story. Yeah. That's right. Really? Now, where did you get all your scratches from? Are you a little gladiator? You had a big battle. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. What else?
My name is Alexis Maximus.
Oh, is that right? You're handsome dude, aren't you? Okay. Are you flirting with mommy? Yeah. You're flirting with mommy. Mommy's a little precious. Yeah. Any more smiles? Is that right? Yeah, that's a big story, isn't it? Oh, what's Daddy doing? Daddy's got you on the camera.
Hello, Alex.
Do you see Daddy with the
Hello,
camera?
Alex. Hello.
Oh.
Hello. How you doing, buddy? What have I got? The camera? Yeah. You gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Gonna say bye-bye, Hannah?
Hannah, what are you doing? Go watch Mommy's float.
Are you sitting on your Pooh Bear?
When you were worried about Pooh getting stung by a bee? That's right.
Hmm?